Samsung is set to redefine foldable phones with the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 launching this July. Known for its innovative foldable design that turns a phone into a tablet, the Z Fold series has always been ahead of the curve. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7, expectations are soaring for groundbreaking features and upgrades. Let's dive into the top 5 changes we hope to see. 1. A sleeker, lighter design. Foldable phones are a marvel of engineering, but they've often been criticized for their bulkiness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises to change that with a slimmer, lighter build. Imagine a phone that fits snugly in your hand or pocket without weighing you down, a dream for anyone tired of carrying a bulky device all day. 2. An even better display. The folding screen sets the Z Fold apart, and Samsung is reportedly working on making it even more durable. Improved hinge technology, a smoother fold, and reduced visibility of the screen crease could transform your viewing experience. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos, expect a sharper and more immersive display. 3. Enhanced battery performance. A phone this powerful needs a battery that can keep pace. While the 4,500 mAh battery is a solid offering, users are hoping for extended battery life and quicker fast charging capabilities. Forget frequent charges and enjoy uninterrupted use from morning to night. 4. Next-level cameras. Camera enthusiasts rejoice. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might feature a 200-megapixel main camera, delivering breathtaking photos with incredible detail. Alongside that, expect a 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP zoom, and improved selfie cameras. The hidden 4MP under-display camera could make for seamless inner-screen selfies. With these upgrades, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a photographer's dream. 5. Making foldable phones more accessible. Foldable technology comes at a premium price, but Samsung might surprise us with better pricing strategies. With whispers of discounts, trade-in offers, and regional deals, Samsung could make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 more accessible to a wider audience. Key features to look forward to. Display: 8.2-inch inner screen and 6.5-inch outer screen for unparalleled versatility. Processor: powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for lightning-fast performance. Memory and storage: options ranging from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, paired with up to 16 GB RAM. Software: sleek interface powered by One UI with Android 15. Durability: stronger hinge design and improved dust resistance for everyday reliability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has the potential to be a game-changer in the foldable phone market. With advancements in design, battery life, cameras, and affordability, July can't come soon enough. Stay tuned as Samsung gears up to unveil its latest masterpiece.